You know, I think about how pulling your own thoughts out of your head is so beneficial. It's something that I think most people don't do. They just kind of think on the fly, but I think writing helps your ability to think. You get what I'm saying? Do
Yeah.
that make sense?
Yeah.
Do you think it's helping your ability to think?
Yep.
So you can be smarter. You know, also that way of communicating is also important. At work, probably 80% of the communication I do is written, whether it's an email or a PowerPoint or a newsletter or just a note that I write or, you know, notes that I take for meetings that I'm a part of. Most of my communication is through, well, I don't write it, I type it, but most of my communication is written. And so if you don't have good skills with writing, then you struggle in a professional world.